time, everybody. Hope you all are doing all right out there this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We'd like to invite you to join us YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com, DonkeyStomper.com. All right, guys, we got a 1x4. This is a fat boy. It was Toshiba, and we completely redid it. Of course, it wasn't an original finding when we got it. But he had some blow transistors, and I'm going to show you this right here. You don't know which ones are good. The ones with the caps on are good. The ones with the caps off, you got two good Toshibas in there, in that bag. There's your wire, and there's your old fan. Oh. Alrighty, what we did here, we'll put you 4 new SGs in there. We ended up retuning the input on the 4-pill section. Had to completely redo all that for the SGs. Ended up replacing the output tune capacitor because it was bad. What else did we do? Okay, we put a new LED in the front, a new variable, new knob on your variable because it was broke off. See what else. Retuned the whole box. Basically, it's almost a rebuild. It's 122 Toshiba driving 42879 HGs. We put your brand new 8-gauge silicone wire in a fancy reducer and did your red LED fan. So we pretty much went all the way through this thing, one end to the other. It's good to go. It ought to be almost like new. Had to get my radio microphone. Start out straight through. SWR0 radio drive, it's alive. Radio drive, it's alive. Radio drive, it's alive. You can turn him on. Look at the bird dummy load and the output PUP, and that is a hard to get red LED fan. It's 100 CFM, it moves some air. It does the deal. Input SWR 12121212340. For sure, Brad was wide open. Okay. All the voltage down a little bit. Hello, 1, 2, run 14.6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1,058 and some change. Only birdie, dummy load. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1x4, getting on down. Get on down. I have not set the day key, so of course the average numbers will be a little low. So that's just 17 watt carrier. 1, 2, 3, getting on down. Get on down, 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 down. 1,000 watts PUP. Like I said, she runs like a brand new one. It's got everything you asked for. Go here to the Colossal Outdoor Dummy Low. Look at LP 100. Hello, worldwide, 1, 2, 3, worldwide, wide. HG, 1x4, 1 Toshiba, 2290, driving 4 HG, 2879s, 14.6 volts, get on down. Well, there she is, bud. She's all up ready to go for you. Really good box now. Should do you a good job. Alrighty, guys, that's it for this video. This repair video, rebuild, repair, whatever you want to call it. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. We'd like to invite you to join us YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check us out at DonkeyStomper.com. That's DonkeyStomper.com. Y'all take care. Appreciate the business support. Your friend 1001 Biggest Donkey Stomper. Bye-bye.